皆さん、こんにちは。おかえりなさい。Welcome back to the Simple Japanese Learning video. I am Masaki from Japan. I am a Japanese teacher. I'm so happy that you opened this video. Please enjoy learning Japanese here. This is the 5th video. Today I will teach you a basic conversation in Japanese. Please feel free to pause the video and practice or watch again as many times as you want. Are you ready? Let's check it out. So, this is a conversation. こんにちは。こんにちは。元気ですか？元気です。元気ですか？はい。いいですね。どこに行くんですか？ちょっと買い物に。そうですか。いってらっしゃい。ありがとうございます。良い一日を。Okay, you probably heard some words, or maybe not. But please don't worry. Let's check them one by one. So, the very first phrase was こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。And the response? こんにちは。元気ですか？こんにちは。元気ですか？こんにちは。元気ですか？ The first sound, is one of the sounds which we say when we notice someone or something is there. Is another one of them. こんにちは is hello. 元気ですか is equal to あなたは元気ですか This means are you fine? It's like English how are you? How are you? So we say are you fine instead of saying how are you? Isn't it interesting? And in this sentence, あなた means you, は means be equals to is, are, am, and 元気 means fine, adjective or energy for noun. This is word for polite conversation. And ka, this is a question word. We say this in higher pitch than other part. So like 元気ですか? 元気ですか? But the subject of this sentence, あなた, is omitted because there is no question that the subject is anything but you in this context. We don't ask like, hello, am I fine? 次です。Next. 元気です。元気ですか? So this sounds like a response to the first question. 元気です is I am fine. It's actually 私は元気です。私は元気です。I am fine. So in this sentence, 私 is I, は is be, is RM, and 元気 is fine or energy. This is a word for polite conversation. And か is a question word. We say this in higher pitch than other part. So again, 元気です。元気ですか？元気ですか？元気ですか？次です。はい。いいですね。どこに行くんですか？はい。いいですね。いいですね。どこに行くんですか？どこに行くんですか？どこに行くんですか？ So in this conversation, はい means yes in Japanese. はい。Yes. No is いいえ。いいえ。いいえ。いいえ。And next, いいですね。いいですね。This means good. Good. And we can say いいね if it's a casual conversation instead of いいですね. By the way, いいね is a word for like in SNS. So, like button is いいね button. The next word, どこに行くんですか? This is actually あなたはどこに行くんですか? 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 This means where do you go? Where are you going? So in this sentence, どこに is where to somewhere. 行く this means go. Go. んですか? んですか? This is actually equals no ですか? This means do you? Like a question. So, どこに行くんですか? Where are you going? And actually, this is not a basic grammatical way of asking, but I would like to tell you about this in the future lesson because it's too complicated. 次です。Next. ちょっと買い物に。This means I'm just going shopping. ちょっと買い物に。ちょっと買い物に。ちょっと買い物に。So in this sentence, ちょっと means a little bit. In this case, it means like just. I mean small thing. 買い物に。買い物に。買い物に。This means to shopping. So this sentence actually means a little bit to shopping, but it sounds like I'm just going shopping. ちょっと買い物に。次です。そうですか。いってらっしゃい。そうですか。そうですか。いってらっしゃい。いってらっしゃい。So the first one, そうですか. This means it is so. So in this sentence, so means English so. This is word for polite conversation. And ka, in this case, this is a particle to show that you receive something, not a question word for this time. And next word, いってらっしゃい. This is a special word to pray for safety for someone who leaves you. 次です。ありがとうございます。良い一日を。I hope you understand, because ありがとうございます is thank you in a polite way. 良い一日を means have a nice day. 良い一日を have a nice day. ありがとうございます。良い一日を。Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Okay, now I think you understand all of them, so let's check them all again. ああ、こんにちは。おー、こんにちは。元気ですか？元気です。元気ですか？はい、いいですね。どこに行くんですか？ちょっと買い物に。そうですか。いってらっしゃい。ありがとうございます。良い一日を。Okay, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. ありがとうございます。If you want to have this lesson text by Google Documents, you can download it from the description. And also, if you would like to have a personal lesson or ask me questions directly, please contact me by email. I will give you free counseling and trial lessons. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. ありがとうございます。The next video will be about some basic sentences. 良い一日を。また。